Hi guys, welcome back to Desert M.S.E Consulting. My name's Chance Fribbs, and well, if you're here to look to see how you can make money on YouTube recording videos, or maybe even on Rumble or something like that. So, before anything else, I want to switch you over to my desktop to show you the differences in affiliate marketing of one type versus the YouTube type, which is how you're going to make money. Okay? Okay, so here on our desktop, you see that this is a affiliate program that is pretty standard that you'll see out there. As you can see, it's pretty bare bones. It doesn't have a whole lot to it. It is still just as complicated to set up as the other version as I'm going to show you. The other version is much more interesting, but this one you have to generate an ad, which will cost you money. Every single time somebody clicks on the ad, it will cost you money on Facebook or on YouTube or on, Reddit. So that ad will take people to a landing page, which will take their email and have an autoresponder set up and get response that'll send them to the product, or it'll have the landing page send directly to the product. Now, the big difference here is that this type of system is cold, and you're only going to get generally about a 0.5 to 1% conversion rate. Now, that's not good. I'll tell you that right now, and truthfully, I have not made any money myself in this method. And that's not to say that you can't. People have absolutely made money this way. People have made millions of dollars this way. But getting started, it's really difficult and really costly. The other way, which is our way, you're going to generate YouTube videos. You don't have to generate all that many, and they don't have to be long, which is important. You don't have to make up long. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to have thousands of views a week. You only need a couple hundred, if that. And using that YouTube video, you're going to send them to a landing page, which will send them to the autoresponder. That autoresponder is going to send them 4 videos, 4 training videos, or 4 story videos, or 4 videos that are important to yourself that'll get across why they should buy a certain type of product. And all 4 of these videos are going to send them to that product or that sale, and you'll get paid. And I'm going to tell you right now, most of the places that you send them to in ClickBank, they pay generally 50 to 75% of their commissions. And in a lot of cases, that's hundreds of dollars each time you get a sale. So the other thing that we're going to teach you how to do in the back end of things is generate a hub that'll have you promote your product continuously, and maybe even have more emails sending out underneath these 4. But these products and blogs will send them back to get you more sales and more payouts. This method is hot. This is a hot method. People are purposefully looking for these types of videos. I mean, that's why you're here on this video, is to see that how you can get doing something like this, or how you get this product. So this generally converts at a 3 to 8%. Much higher, pays you out much better. And yeah, you're going to have to create videos, but in the end, it gets really simple. We've seen people make money after a week of doing the program, and truthfully, there's no reason why you can't either. Okay, so I'm going to switch it back to me. Okay, so I've gone through the presentation. Now I'm going to tell you right now, down in the description below is a link to that landing page that I'm going to tell you about. That landing page, you're going to put in your email. You'll get 4 100% free videos. I will never sell your information. That information is only for me. Those 4 free videos taught by Mr. Aaron Chen is how you're going to be able to see how you can make money off of YouTube absolutely free. Okay? So until then, I'll see you guys in the winner's circle. Bye now.